Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and today we're going straight to Hamster Morse Code this night, and what we'll be spelling is DAPP. So the Morse code tonight is DAPP, DAPP, DAPP. Okay, so as usual, we make use of our charts. So let's get into Hamster itself. So, as usual, to activate the Morse code, you go here and tap 3 times fast. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the Morse code has been activated. So the first letter is letter D, and we will spell letter D with dash dot dot. Dash means to hold your phone, dot means to tap your phone. Everything has to be fast. So dash dot. So letter D has been spelled. Remember, dash means to hold your phone, dot means to tap on your phone. Everything has to be fast. So letter A is dot dash. Tap on your phone and hold your phone. Dot dash. Tap on your phone and hold your phone. So let's do that. We tap immediately, then we hold and release. We have letter A. So the last letter is letter P. So we are spelling it 2 times. That's why it's the last letter. It's the same letter. So letter P is spelled dot dash dot. You tap your phone, you hold, you release, you hold, and then you tap. Tap dash tap. Okay? So let's do that. So letter P is what? Tap dash tap. Okay? 1 P has gotten this. We repeat it again for the second P. Tap, hold, tap. And there you have it, DAPP. So you claim your prize. So that is that for today. Catch you guys tomorrow around 8 p.m. So remember, this your code lasts from now till 8 p.m. tomorrow. So you have all the time in the world to do it. See you. Please like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel. It is very important. Bye bye. See you on the next one.